Start with the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum, and hope you all are doing well. And welcome back in our elementary science class. So our today's topic is specialized cell. You can see here are different type of cells: red blood cells, nerve cells, sperm cells, egg cells, and root hair cells. They are specific on the basis of their function and on the basis of their structure. You can see red blood cell is changed from all the cells, and their function is also changed. So every cell has their own structure and own function. So start with cell differentiation. So what is cell differentiation? Cell differentiation is a process by which cell develops special structure or lose certain structure to enable them to carry out specific function, in which one cell is differentiate into multiple types of cell in our human body, and this process occur multiple times in zygote. Hence, cells become differentiated to form specialized cells, just like as heart cells, neuron cells, nephron cells in kidney, and cardiomyocyte cells in our heart, which is our heart cell, and chondrocyte. And these all are specialized cells. Their function are special. Their structure are special. The structure of each cell is adapted to perform specific function of the cell, just like as hemoglobin have circular and biconcave shape. So due to their structure, it easily pass from arteries. So here you can see that one cell, which we call stem cell, differentiate into multiple type of cell: erythroid, beta cells, macrophages, T cells, and their main role in immunity, and cardiomyocytes, which our heart cells, smooth muscle present in our digestive system, astrocyte, microglia, oligodendrocyte, and photoreceptors are our neuron cells, and beta cells are also responsible in immune system, in our immunity, and chondrocytes and osteoblasts, which are responsible for the formation of our bones. These are our bone cells, which provide structure and support to our body. So how is cell structure related to cell function? Cell structure is related to cell function. You can see here is red blood cells, and their structure and function are different from other cells. It contains hemoglobin or Hb, and the main function of Hb is to attach with oxygen. Hemoglobin transport oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. And red blood cells have no nucleus, and due to the absence of nucleus, it carry more hemoglobin, which lead to increased transport of oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body. And not only oxygen, but blood also transport different type of nutrients, hormones in our body, which we will discover later. And it has circular biconcave shape, and due to this shape, it increase surface area to volume ratio of the cells and increase transport of oxygen. And due to this circular biconcave shape, it easily passes from arteries without any difficulty. So here is another type of cell which we call xylem vessel, and you can see here long tube which we call xylem vessel, which is only present in plant cells. And you can see their cell wall is made up of cellulose, and lignin rings are present. Lignin is chemical which is present in xylem vessel. And this is long hollow tube, no protoplasm, in which protoplasm is absent. And adaptation to function is enable water to move easily through the lumen, and it transport water, and lignin strength the walls and prevent xylem from collapsing. And this is our another cell, which is root hair cell. It is also present in plant cells. This key like structure is our root hair cell. It is long and narrow. Adaptation to function is due to its long and narrow nature. It increases surface area to volume ratio of cell, which leads to increased absorption of water and mineral from the soil. If root hair cells are long and narrow, so it can easily transport different type of minerals, calcium, potassium, nitrogen from the soil, and water absorb a lot of water to plant. And it means different type of cells have different function, and uh, which is related to their function. So today's topic is completed here. If you have any query, you may ask, and inshallah in next class we will cover another topic. So Allah Hafiz.